There are 38 chapters in NEET Biology. If you plan to memorize one chapter every week, it takes 38 weeks or about 10 months to finish memorizing the chapters. A proper action plan is needed to memorize and self-assess your understanding of each chapter. That's where the 7-day challenge comes in. 7-day challenge is your personal pathway for memorizing a chapter in just 7 days. Choose a chapter and take a simple quiz to analyze your knowledge of each chapter. Once the quiz is over, you will be presented with a guided study, a plan for the next 7 days to memorize the chapter. Simply finish the goal every single day, and on the last day, you will be required to take another curated test based on your performance. If you can answer all the questions right, voila, you can head to the next lesson. If not, head over to the flashcards page and memorize NCERT line-by-line flashcards related to that chapter. As you rate flashcard difficulty and answer questions, a powerful learning algorithm identifies your strengths and weaknesses. Once this analysis is complete, the machine sends suggestions to the recommended for you section on the home page. You can take up the flashcards and question bank sets from the home page and enhance your preparation. Use Gyaanbee for at least 15 minutes a day, and you too could score 360 out of 360 in NEET Biology.